Hey, what's up guys, my name is Rishabh and you are watching Everyone's Story. Since previous week on Friday, episode 85 of this Pokemon Journeys was released, in which Ash vs B Hyperclass battle begins. And I had also already reviewed that episode, so if you guys want then you can check out it, link in the I button. Now today in this video, I'm going to discuss episode 86 and 87 title, summary and their respective release date. Along with a magazine cover, which suggests about upcoming Sinnoh arc plots and Go Next Project new mission. So there is a lot to discuss, but before that, I want you guys to like the video as a motivation purpose for me. Now without wasting any time, let me jump straight to the video. Okay, let me first discuss about episode 86. So it's scheduled to be released on 5th of November Friday. Now its official title, Mega Evolution vs Kyodai Max. And now its official summary, Satoshi and Sato are fighting a seesaw battle and as neither of them yield an inch, they both eventually end up with one Pokemon left. Satoshi's Lucario, and Saito's Kariki, Sato Kyodaimax's Kariki, and Satoshi faces her with his Mega Evolved Lucario. Which of them will the Goddess of Victory smile upon? So now in the next episode, the conclusion of Ash vs B match is going to happen. And as per the summary, it's clear that the last battle is going to be between Gigantamax Machamp and Mega Lucario. Since my previous video prediction get correct that Ash's third Pokemon is going to be Sirfetch'd. And in preview it clearly seems that Sirfetch'd will battle against B Hawlucha and Pikachu will take on Grapploct. So let's get excited, because the next episode battle is going to be really intense. Although now let me discuss about episode 87. So it's scheduled to be released on the 12th of November Friday. And now its official title, The Ice Queen and Glacier. Now its official summary, today Satoshi is joining Go and Koharu in school for a presentation. And while he's there, a girl named Regina who has a partner Glacier named Missy, transfers to Go and Koharu's class. Koharu and Nigui have never seen a Glacier before and are really intrigued by it. However, Missy is very cautious and end up immediately unleashing Blizzard on the students in order to protect Regina. So basically in this episode, Ash joining Go and Chloe on their school presentation, in which a girl named Regina, who have a Glaceon, had get transferred to Go and Chloe class. So it seems that this episode is going to be focused on Chloe and its Eevee encountering another evolution. And there is nothing extra to discuss as that Glaceon is of a random trainer named Regina. Whatever, now let me discuss about this magazine cover. So out here we could clearly first see the legendary Pokemon Dialga and Palkia. Since from its side text line we get some information, like Winter Sinnoh arc is going to start from the 3rd of December. And I do remember that my exams are also going to start from the 3rd of December, and currently I don't know how I'm going to active that time on YouTube. Whatever, out here in this magazine much details are not given, only written that Ash and Go will encounter legendary Pokemon Dialga and Palkia. And Dialga can control time, and Palkia is the controller of space. So from this magazine only one thing is confirmed right now, that from December Winter Sinnoh arc is going to start, in which Ash and Go will encounter Dialga and Palkia. Then in the bottom left part of this magazine, we could see some images of episode 87, in which Glaceon is going to appear. And finally in right bottom side, we get some information about Go Next Project new mission. Since currently we don't know which episode it is actually, but in this episode he will get his next trial mission, which is to get a Kingdra. And I think that this Intellion scene that we see in the special preview is most probably going to be from this project new episode. Although whatever will happen, whenever this episode's more detail will come, I will definitely make a video on it as soon as possible. And now that's all for this video. I hope you guys had enjoyed it, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon to get more this type of related videos in future. Also be sure to comment your thoughts about upcoming episodes that we are going to see. Now at last as always, you guys can follow me on my social media handles like Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.